I was really happy when you got my hands alright. You were laughing when I cracked the jokes of mine. Remember we talking about your height. It was crazy when I looked down to your eye. Oh, she wanted to be good and kind, but she left me here with this lonely night. Still hope to kiss you, love you and sad